Hi, my name is Hassan. This is a quick tutorial showcasing the Parliament script. As you see, it's a dockable script. You need to create parties first, and this will generate the parties where you can add the number of seats per party and the hex color for each party. So we've created with one click a parliament of 60 seats distributed on 3 rows. The first radius is 400 and with 40 pixels increments. Obviously we can change these depending on what we need. We created 3 parties and the tab max is 3, so it's currently showing 3 parties per tab. If we do 10 parties, it will show 10 parties, 3 parties each tab. If you have a bigger screen, you can have 5 parties, and it will be just 2 tabs. For now, let's keep it compact. If we go inside, you can see that all these different layers, they're named by row, and they're colored by each party. These colors don't correspond, these are just random labels. So no expressions needed, which makes it super quick to load. We can pre-comp the parties, so each party is in a different comp, and you can see them organized in this folder. So you can add in this section here, you add the number of seats for each party, and this is the hex color for each party. You can change each party to whatever color you want, but the script will generate random colors initially just to get you started. With the look, we have circle. We can change to a square, and this is the size of the circle of the square. We can add a custom shape, so I have one prepared here. And you can add a stroke. If you go back to a circle, so now it's animating from 0 degrees to 180. We can change that. So to make it a smaller parliament, or obviously can make it longer. If you want to change the number of seats, so basically this is it's saying the number of seats is not equal to the party number, so these are 60 and this is 150. They need to match up. For example, now we have everything. This is the angles. If we go back to 180, we can change how elliptical it is. So now it has more of an elliptical profile. Let's go back to 1. Last thing is the animation. This is the full animation in. It's 1 second. Let's do 2 seconds. So now everything will resolve before the second. The animation ends here. The duration is the duration of individual seat animating in, and party offset is you can offset each party by say 3 seconds. Now it will animate the first party, then wait 3 seconds, the second party, and the last one. Go back to 0. Everything has been animating from the left, and you can animate from the right. There's another option for from middle. And to middle. So they animate to the middle. The offset here is 0, so you can offset the position of the animation. Let's do big number, you can tell the difference. Now it's coming to the middle from 500 pixels. The other option is from point. This point will act like an emitter, and these dimensions are inside the main comp, and will act like this. And you compare it with any of these directions like the offset. And lastly, this is the profile. So the speed profile, we can have different one. Depends on what you need. This slider will change the strength of the curve. So now if we go back and create it, see it has a softer profile. In the look section, swap seats. So let's say you didn't like how this sits here, you can simply swap the seats and it will change them, and we'll keep the animation and timing, we'll change that as needed as well. The last thing I want to discuss is the presets. We have the UK parties and the US parties. If we match this number, we are creating 435 circles. With one click, super quickly. That's all. Thank you very much.